Hello student, good morning. Today plus 2 classes, first lesson reproduction in organism. First topic mode of reproduction. Mode of reproduction. Reproduction is synthesis of RNA and protein, replication of DNA, cell division, growth, formation, reproduction unit and fertilization. Individual organism. Reproduction meaning process of producing offspring nothing but young ones. Reproduction complex law of nature without which life itself would be lifeless. Reproduction is process by which an organism produces new individual of its own kind. Reproduction is a process, basic biological process. Type of reproduction. Two type of reproduction. First one is asexual reproduction. Second one sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is yeast. Asexual reproduction spread of different organisms common in membranes. Protista, bacteria, archaea, and multicellular organism. Protista is nothing but eukaryotic unicellular organism. Archaea between bacteria and eukarya organism is eukarya. Okay, then asexual reproduction is the cell. Example of slide: developing buds, new bud, chain buds. Sexual reproduction: males sperm, male gamete; female egg, female gamete. The fission of zygote. Zygote is two in nature. Diploid condition. Diploid condition develop embryo. Embryo develop baby is called gestation periods, 208 days in human being. The basic feature of common for all type of reproduction: synthesis of RNA, replication of DNA, cell division and growth and formation of reproductive units. First one is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, reproduction by single parent without gamete formation. Uniparental, single parent involved, gamete formation does not occur. Very important. Asexual reproduction, gamete formation does not occur. This process asexual synchrony, gamete fusion absent. The offspring is nothing but young one production. Asexual reproduction is called uniparental, inheritance without variation. Asexual reproduction common among the lower group of organism. This organism only asexual, lower organism bacteria and protozoa. Type of asexual reproduction: fission. Type of asexual reproduction: fission. Then sporulation, budding, gemule formation, fragmentation, regeneration. First one is here budding. Budding is nothing but small projection, outgrowth, protozoa and sponge is called bud. Later bud develop new organism. Budding example yeast and Coelenterata. Budding parent body, one or more buds individual into young ones. After complete development of bud, separate parent body and lead in independent life. Example hydra and sponge. Types of budding: exogenous budding. Exo means outside the body, develop the outer surface of parent body. Example hydra. Hydra growth of bud, bud development, mouth and tentacles. Bud detached from the parent, become the independence. The slight microscopic image of budding process in hydra. Types of budding: endogenous budding. Endo means inside the body, develop the inside the body cytoplasm. The endogenous budding is cytoplasm division, parent body. Example Nactiluca. This diagram is previous 11th year classes explains. Nactiluca. Then gemule formation. Gemule formation, special type of internal buds. Internal bud, membrane spongilla during the adverse condition. Gemule hard ball having mass of food laden archeocyte. The archeocyte very important, 1 mark question and 2 mark question. The archeocytes is a gemule can without adverse begin the neutron favorable condition. The archeocyte, the archeocyte is nothing but Greek word beginning of hollow vessel. This is sexual reproduction of amoeboid cell. The sponge organism archeocyte asexual reproduction is called totipotency. The archeocyte diagram, the third slide, microphile, inner membrane. The archeocyte is nothing but one of the totipotent variety of function. Totipotent is nothing but whole organism production functions called totipotent. Okay, the fission. The fission is the division of parent body into two or more identical daughter individual is called budding. Example, yeast and Coelenterata. The division of nucleus called karyogenesis. Karyo means nucleus division. Division diagram, nucleus division, karyogenesis. The second slide, division of cytoplasms called cytogenesis. Cyto means cytoplasm, genesis, cytoplasm division, cytogenesis. Type of fission, binary fission. Binary fission, example Euglena. Multiple fission, Plasmodium. Sporulation, amoeba. Stabilization, Aurelia. Then binary fission, parent organism divide into two halves, each grow into the individual organism. Type of binary fission, based on the plant division, simple irregular binary fission, transverse binary fission, longitudinal binary fission, oblique binary fission. The simple irregular binary fission in amoeba. Amoeba, no plan of division. Example, amoeba. Amoeba is contact vacuole, nucleus, fission point, mitotic division. Only body cell division in the amoeba and cytoplasm division. The new daughter individual of amoeba. Transverse binary fission in paramecium. The plan of division transverse. Example, paramecium and planaria. Paramecium, the morphological identification, the macronucleus and micronucleus. The macronucleus, the physiological process. The micronucleus in the reproduction function in paramecium. The oral grow disappear and new oral growing forming. New oral growing forming. The two daughter individual. The microscope image of paramecium, normal paramecium, paramecium in division. The longitudinal binary fission, Euglena. Longitudinal plan of division, example, Euglena verticella. Then microscopic image of Euglena during longitudinal binary fission. Oblique is Sullalvata binary fission, Serratium. Oblique plan of division. Example, Serratium dinoflagellata. Dino means two flagellate animals is called dinoflagellatum. Example, very important one more question, Serratium species. Then microscopic image of skull in the stage of oblique binary fission, certain species. Multiple fission, parent body divide into many daughter simultaneously. Simultaneously nothing but at the same time. The first nucleus undergoes repeated division. It's called nucleus large, later cytoplasm surrounding nucleic forming daughter cell. Nucleus, the two nucleus multiplication is called multiple fission plasmodium. Multiple fission called schizogony, producing merozoite. Multiple fission in oocyte called sporogony, producing sporozoites. Sison, daughter of cell. Sison, anasia, daughter of cell, and breaking release the pseudopodia4. Multiple fission amoeba occur in the condition withdraw pseudopodia forms 3 layers cyst wall, end system, under favorable condition. Nucleus cyst undergoes multiple fission producing pseudopodia4. After maturity, cyst wall break liberated in pseudopodia4. The cyst wall, cyst with many nucleus, amoebola stage in cyst. Stabilization in Aurelia. Stabilization, several transverse fission simultaneously raise member of individual separate immediately each other. Planula larva, very important one more question. The Aurelia larva, Ebeira larva. Okay, the Ebeira larva production, male medusa sperm production, female medusa production the ova, the male gamete, female gamete fusion, fertilization. Fertilization another process zygote, the two cell stage converted to the four cell stage, the four cell stage converted to the blastula is human being in the egg for implantation process. Blastula is the 8 cell stage in human being only. The free swimming larva, very important one more question. Aurelia free swimming larva, planula larva. The planula larva is a settled down the young speleomastoma, young stobila connected to the adult stobila budding ebeira. Ebeira is a freeing ebeira. It's all life cycle of Aurelia. Then plasmotomy, then another is called the plasmodomy. The type of fission is called plasma fission seen in multinucleated organism. Very important one more question. The plasmadomy multinucleate parent body along with nucleic division into two or more daughter individual. Each new individual many nucleus but not equal member of parent organism. After fission, nucleic of daughter cell undergoes division equalized normal number. Example, plasmadomy multinucleate organism. Very important one more question. Obalina and Paleomyxa. This is one of the matching mismatching pair or correct sequence order. Very important Indian question. In the stabilization in amoeba, the type of multiple fission in amoeba without cyst formation. During the condition, nucleus amoeba divides into small fragments. Each fragment surrounded nuclear membrane by cytoplasm from the spore has. All these spores remaining inside the parent body. Condition become favorable. The parent body liberated the catch in the young amoeba. Then fragmentation. Fragmentation is nothing but fragmentation. The parent body break into two or more fragments. The parent body break into two or more fragments. Each fragment become new organism. Example, sponge and echinodermata. Fragmentation type of, this is now one more question. Asexual reproduction in parent body. Each fragment ability develop into new individual organism. Fragmentation in sea anemone. Fragmentation sea anemone referred to as the pedal ligation. When the sea anemone get detached, move the pedal disc break off. Loop the constructed the left over pedal disc. Each loop develop into entire organism. Pedal anemones is the tentacles, store edge, epidermal, parental individual, pedal disc. Next on the fragmentation. Fragmentation in the example tapeworm, mature proclatis. Mature part na parutha udal kandu solluvom. The posterior part of get periodically cut off. This setting gravid proclatis tapeworm called apolysis. On 2 mark question. The proclatis condition embryo and entering host peak develop in new individual. Regeneration. Another one say regeneration. Regeneration the meaning in the formation of whole body. Regeneration is the formation of whole body organism. The small fragment of body. The small fragment of body is called regeneration. Example, planaria, another say hydra. The regrowth ensued the called regeneration. Regeneration first studied by very important one more question. First studied in hydra. The scientist Abraham Trampley, era passing 1740. Type of regeneration: Marbolosis, epimorphosis. Regeneration, the Marbolosis refers to the regeneration entire body cut off Entire body cut off from marble axis. Regions in Hydra. Another one see region planaria. First, regeneration epimorphosis refers to replacement of the lost body parts. Only lost body parts development epimorphosis. Reparative regeneration, only certain damaged tissue regeneration. Only this answer, repair is nothing but damaged tissue, regenerate is called reparative regeneration. Example, damaged liver tissue in human being. Very important one more question. Restorative regeneration, severed body parts regenerated. Example, the lost tail lizard in starfish. Restorative example, lost tail and arms of starfish. Starfish in the arms cutting against formation arm is called regeneration. Is starfish. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves complete fusion of male-female gamete from diploid zygote, which develop into new individual. Sexual reproduction leads to genetic variation due to the recombination arrangement of gene. Type of sexual reproduction, synchrony of fertilization and conjugation. Synchrony is nothing but permanent fusion of male and female gamete. Very important question. Synchrony is nothing but permanent fusion of male and female gamete is called synchrony. Announce conjugation. Conjugation nothing but temporarily fusion of male and female parent. Conjugation only the bacterium, only temporary male and female parent, same species, from exchange the nuclear material bacteria and paramecium. The conjugation bacteria and paramecium. Conjugation. The diagram is a male sperm, male gamete, female egg is called female gamete egg. The two male gamete, female gamete fusion zygote. Zygote is a diploid nature. The diploid nature is embryo. Embryo development period, gestation periods. Gestation period, the human being 218 days in baby formation. Then type of fertilization based on site of occurrence, external fertilization. External is nothing but outside the body. Fusion of male and female gamete occurs outside the body organism. External fertilization. Example, the slide of egg and sperm in the outside the environment fish. Then internal fertilization, fusion of male female gamete occur inside the body organism. They see a arthropoda, the insect. The type of synchrony. Already talked on the synchrony. Permanent fusion of male and female gamete is called synchrony. Based on the morphological production of gamete, autogamy. First the slide of autogamy. Autogamy, fusion of male and female gamete. First one's autogamy is nothing but fusion of male female gamete produce the same individual. Autogamy example only paramecium. Another exogamy. Second one see exogamy. Exogamy, fusion of gamete produced by the two different parent. Exogamy is here two different parent dioecious individual, exogamy. Announce here hologamy. Hologamy, fusion of entire mating individual. Hologamy, entire mating individual acting. Example, Glamdomonas. Hologamy example, Glamdomonas. Announce here pedogamy. Pedogamy, fusion of young individual. Pedogamy, young individual, Actinosporidium. Announce here merogamy. Merogamy, fusion of small and morphological dissimilar gamete. Merogamy, dissimilar gamete called merogamy. Then announce here isogamy. The announce here isogamy, fusion of morphological similar gamete. Iso means same gamete. The fusion of morphological similar gamete is called monocytosis. Announce here angiogamy, fusion of two dissimilar gamete. Angiogamy, two dissimilar gamete is called angiogamy. Example, frog and rabbit. Autogamy, male female gamete produced by the same cell or same body, The both fused of the zygote is called autogamy. Autogamy is a paramecium. Exogamy, male female gamete produce different body, both get fused the zygote is called exogamy. Hologamy, no gamete formed. Instead, the entire mature organism behave like gamete fused with mature organism is called hologamy. Then pedogamy. Pedogamy is sexual union young individual. Pedogamy is a fusion of young individual. Produced immediately after division adult parent cell by mitosis. Mitosis is nothing but body cell division. The merogamy, another one is merogamy and isogamy, anisogamy. The merogamy fusion of small microbiological dissimilar gamete, different gamete, merogamete. Then isogamy, fusion of morphologically similar gamete is monoecious. The anisogamy, fusion of two dissimilar gametes called, for example, frog and rabbit is called angiogamy. Another conjugation. Conjugation is nothing but temporary fusion male and female parent same species from exchange nuclear material. Conjugation only exchange in nuclear material, bacteria and paramecium. During conjugation, small portion of nuclear material transferred from donor organism to recipient. One bacterium donor, another bacterium recipient. With a male donor, female is a recipient bacteria. This diagram under the visible. Okay. Next, the base of life. Announce here, base of life, juvenile phase, period between the birth and individual organism, reproductive maturity. The reproductive phase, the organism gives rise to the offspring. Offspring is young one. Senescent phase, the period structure and functional organism distinct during the diminish based on the animal's breeding nature. Okay. You stop on